What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about how I went viral on TikTok and made 14K in 1 week. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this from finding the product to making the TikTok videos. Let's fucking get it. So without wasting any of you guys' time, product research was the first thing I did. I went ahead and went to AliExpress. You could go to AliExpress, Temu, and all these websites because they usually list a bunch of new products and cool products that people have not tapped into yet. I was scrolling on AliExpress for a couple hours until I found this 4-in-1 dog leash. Not only did I see that this dog leash was problem solving, but it had a huge wow factor because it just looked cool. And once I had the product, I had to validate it. I went to TikTok, searched this product up and see if there's any competitors. I seen that there's a couple videos, but nothing too high quality and nothing too viral. So it was perfect for me to go ahead and try to make this product a hit. After I validated the product, I went ahead and went to Amazon, ordered it, and said it was going to get here in 2 days. The first thing I did was starting building the website. I don't suggest beginners to start making a website right away. I would say pretty much just wait for the video to go viral and then start making the website. And if you lose a couple of sales, it doesn't really matter because you're saving yourself time. You could be testing other products. And that's something that I'm definitely going to preach, because at the end of the day, you should be testing more products at once. I went to the TikTok made me buy it hashtag at the time because, like I said, I was a complete beginner. I've only heard about going viral on TikTok and dropshipping a couple of times, where people would go ahead and make a viral video and then drive all that traffic to the link they put in the bio. And at the time, it was something that I just kept hearing on YouTube, got some little inspo from there, and seen that a lot of TikToks use storylines and voiceovers at the time. So I went ahead and showed off the product using my voice. So this is the exact product that got millions of views and over hundreds of conversions. So I ended up making 4 TikToks to post in 1 day. I ended up making a new account that same night. I also, right before I went to sleep, told myself you never know, so I went ahead and put the link in bio. Back then you could put the link in bio right away, but now you have to have 1,000 followers, which kind of sucks. I ended up posting 3 TikToks that day, and the third TikTok ended up going viral while I was sleeping. Woke up at 4 a.m. to see a couple of sales, which is like 3 or 4 sales. I didn't think too much of it. At the time I was running Facebook ads and I was thinking it was sales from there. So around 8 a.m. when I had woken up, I seen that I was at 2.5K, over $1,000 profit by fucking 8 a.m., which is fucking crazy. Guys, by the time I was at work, the viral video just kept getting more and more views and the revenue kept going more and more up. By the end of the night, the revenue was sitting at over 7K. It was fucking crazy. Ended up making over $5,000 profit in 1 single day. And over the span of 1 month and a half, I managed to make 22.5K and over $10,000 profit. It was fucking insane, guys. I've never had anything like this happen to me. The fact that I made 7K in 1 day was just fucking delusional. It was fucking crazy. I can't explain to you guys, and that's why I feel like nothing beats TikTok organic right now, because at the end of the day, you just need to learn the skill of going viral and then converting these people. I think it's the perfect way to start dropshipping. So if you're a beginner, paid ad takes money to make money, and you gotta realize that. If you don't want to spend any money and create a business, I would say organic is the perfect way to start. This video is not to brag, but to show you guys the times that we're living in. It's crazy as fuck how we could just shoot a video, make a website, and drive fucking traffic to our website and make sales. If you guys have any questions, I'll be glad to help you guys. Message me on my Instagram. I'll drop it right here. Also be in the link in my description. I'm still not an expert myself, but I'm learning, and I hope you guys can learn with me as well. I'm just gonna document the journey, and I hope this helps you guys in any type of way. All right, guys, it's Faye. Peace.